Hello, we stopped in Arnastapi here on the Snaefellsness Peninsula, and it was raining pretty bad. Really wanted to fly the drone more there than we did. We did a little bit and it started sprinkling. So we cruised around to Hellnar. There's a 2.5 kilometer trail between the two along the coast with a bunch of beautiful seabirds and green moss and lava rocks. And we're gonna show you what it's all about.
We're Jenna and Jeremy, travelers, creators, and digital nomads.
As part of an exciting freelance gig, we spent 3 months in the stunning country of Iceland.
Follow our adventures as we explore more of this incredible planet Earth.
Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and you can also find us on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok at Quench Your Adventure. Now on to the good stuff.
The sound of the rocks falling back down the coast is so cool. Oh, I love that. Right next to the beach here, we've got this overhanging cave, and I actually see light coming through the backside of it. I wonder if we could get up there. Let's see, should we?
Jeremy!
Come on, let's see.
Jeremy!
There you go. Watch my back. We're up. Whew. Wow. Okay, it's clear.
I don't want to hit my head. I don't want no rocks to fall on me. Scratch my back. Oh my golly jeez.
So much quieter now that we can't hear the crashing waves nearly as much.
Something nice about silence.
What'd you say?
It smells really stinky.
Like fishy poo-poo, is that what you said?
I guess that birds eat fish. They piss out fish.
Wow.
Stinky fish.
That is accurate.
Yeah.
So beautiful.
Hey guys.
I wish I could fly.
That could be us soon, you know. I could be sitting at home pregnant waiting for you to come home and feed me.
Thank you all so much for watching. Some spectacular places that I'm so thankful to have explored. Please like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe for more travel videos. See ya.